Hey guys, I know it is late and you probably won't be able to see much since it is raining and my uh, windshield wipers are not the best out there. They're a bit worn, but anyway, I'm so excited, so I wanted to show you that finally the work on the road has started and it is in progress. So soon we are gonna have a proper road, and I can't be more happier about this. So I'm not gonna say much, I'm just gonna give you a quick tour on the work that has been done so far, what has happened, and here it is. New layer, probably 2 or 3 layers of asphalt, I'm not sure. I haven't been paying attention on what is going on. Let's just enjoy this, and I'm gonna do the same tour once it is finally finished. And everything is set, so this is it for now, guys. Look how nice it is. Okay, so this is where this layer finishes, and probably that is the top layer that is gonna be final. And here we have this primary layer, I'm guessing, I'm not sure, but anyhow, soon enough it is gonna be so cool to be able to get in and out without any problems. Look at this, it is unreal. So this is a part of the old road. Probably they're gonna start working on this next. I can't wait. So this is it, guys. Once this is finished, I'm gonna show you the whole road, and bye for now.